Vale stock has been on a downtrend this year and just dropped to a new low. So will it keep falling, or is this a good buy opportunity? In this video, we will answer this question by analyzing trades with unusual options activity that was happening during the last few minutes of the market. If you're not familiar with Vale, this is a mining company in the materials sector. So you may be wondering if other stocks in the mining industry are also performing poorly this year because commodity prices affect this industry. Well, coincidentally, we recently traded another mining company known as Freeport-McMoran, and it just rallied 7% on March 13. And you can see that the stock is actually up higher than where it was at the beginning of the year. We entered our bullish long trade on this day, February 20. And we shared our trade analysis in this video to our members only on February 20, when we analyze these unusual options, and we found that they were going bullish. So we went long on the trade. As you can see here, this is a bullish long trade. So you can see that even though the mining companies like Vale are doing poorly, we can still find the stocks that are doing very well based on the unusual options activity. So if you want access to more of these trades where we do the analysis work, then go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here, because essentially by following the unusual options, we are also following the financial research that are being done by wealthy investors, or potentially investors who have access to inside information that know what will happen to the stock in the near future. Okay, we just got into Freeport-McMoran less than a month ago on February 20, and you can see that it has already is up now in such a short amount of time, because perhaps somebody knew something, and so we are outperforming in this sector despite others not doing so well. All right, so go to our website if you want to learn more about our stock picks, because they do matter as shown here. All right, so back to Vale. What is going on with Vale? Should we buy or should we stay away? So when we take a look at the option time and sales tape, as we typically do initially, you can see here that the biggest call option being traded was these April 19th 13 strike calls. And what is most interesting also is that at the last few minutes of the market, you can see here, 3:59 p.m., you can see these options being traded, the April 19th 13 strike calls, all the way down. Lots and lots of these 13 strike calls being traded the last few minutes of the market as well. So quite unusual, right, for this option to be traded still throughout the day, but most interestingly, the last few minutes. So March 13, we can see April 19, these 13 strike calls, total volume, 26,000 contracts for these 13 strike calls. Most of them were opening trades, because you can see that the open interest is less than the volume. Okay, So the way we traded it, we simply followed the trade. Okay, because these 13 strike calls, you can see we're buying them as well. We simply followed it without spending much time into developing our option strategies, because to us, this is not a members trade. This is a lower probability of profit trade in comparison to our members only trades. Okay, because of some of the variables that we had analyzed, it does not meet our threshold, even though it is still unusual, and that there is still a good chance that it could go up and these call options could become profitable. As you can see here, these are long bullish trades with a positive delta. If it was bearish, it would be a negative delta. So we simply just bought these call options. We use position sizing to reduce our risk. Okay, so we don't put a lot of capital into these trades that are not member only trades. We put most of our capital into the member only trades because they are higher probability of profit. And that's where we want to focus and diversify our portfolio with the better trades in the market by analyzing the trades where these wealthy investors are putting a lot more money into the millions. And there's more clear data with better accuracy in predicting what they are exactly doing. Okay, so go to our website if you want to learn more on how to gain access to these trades and more about our work. We also show a lot of proofs of how this works on our website. Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and have a great day.